What is going on, everybody? We are back again. I know some of you guys are wondering what has happened with the shocks in the last video, and if you guys didn't see the last video, I'll tag it somewhere around it so you guys can see it. But we got the bushing off. It really wasn't that hard. Honestly, what I did is I went inside, I grabbed a razor, cut the bushing off, got a new one, placed it on it, zip tied it up, you know, pretty much just completed it. We are now, as you guys can see what's in the back here, we got a new tailgate. The one that I have on it right now is just in horrible shape. It's all rusted out, it's all dented, it's missing a few pieces. I think it's at its end of its life, if I'm being honest with you. Anyways, we are on our way to a car wash because this is kind of filthy. So let's cut to the next scene with me washing it, and yeah, we'll go from there. $2, okay. Dude, come on, man. Not gonna lie, guys, it's kind of sketchy right here, so I'm just gonna hurry up and get up on out of here, if I'm being honest with you guys. Really sketchy. All right. You guys ever get that feeling that, like, you know, your gut's just off and it's just not feeling right, and it's just like your instincts kicking in? It's like, you know, I should probably get out of this situation right now because nothing feels right about this altercation. And that was kind of me while I was washing the tailgate. People were digging through the trashes and then also pulling the trashes in their car, and I was like, this is getting kind of weird. I was kind of rushing that process because it didn't feel right at all, and I didn't feel like getting mugged or stabbed. This should be an easy, if I'm correct, right? Should be just these two clips. There we go. Oh, that was easy. Ugh. This one's way heavier. Please work, because you know how I am with installing new things. Nothing ever fits, nothing ever works, and I'm just surprised that the shocks end up working out because, let's just face it, every single time I fix something, I break something. Oh, there goes that. Damaged the side already. We'll just pretend like we didn't see that. I wonder, I don't know if that's big enough. You've got to be kidding me. This doesn't fit. Well, guys, let's just say I am really stupid because these, they go in these bottom pins. I've been trying to put it on the hitch the entire time. Okay, after messing around with this for a little bit, I realized that this part right here is not going to work. I need a whole entire new thing because for some reason this is way bigger than the one that's on it, and I don't know why. I'm not sure if this is because it's an SLT tailgate, but the one I have is off of a 2500 work truck, so I don't really know if that has anything to do with it. So they say they have the parts at AutoZone. I'm going to quickly head there and see if I can make it back, get this installed, and hopefully be done with this. So be right back.
One eternity later.
Okay, guys, it's actually been a few days since we last took a crack at this. That is because it was getting late and obviously I didn't have time to do this. So what I had to do is run to the store, get some new hinges because the ones that are on it right now are just too big for, well, at least the left one is too big. I don't know why. But we got some new ones. I'm gonna test fit it before I install this, and honestly, if I'm correct, I think this one on the left is the right one. So, you know what, we're just gonna dive right into this. There we go, just had to turn up the power. Doesn't want to come loose for me. All right, well, definitely looks like I worked on it, that's for sure. I think that might be extremely rusted. I'm gonna get some of that spray that, you know, takes the rust off of it, and pray to God that that works. It should be fine. We're gonna let this sit for a little bit, and hopefully the bolts come off. If not, I guess I grab my breaker bar and see if I can snap this nut off. Obviously, my luck is really bad. Everything that I seem to work on just doesn't seem to fit or work out, but hey, I guess that's life for you, I guess. And it's snowing when it was so nice outside the other day. I should have just finished the job when I told myself to finish it, but we live and learn, right? There we go. Shout out to Tecton for making amazing tools. Nice and easy now, right? Ow. I don't know what I just realized is that I just broke my taillight. Yay. Right here. This part right here that spun around just chipped that right off. Oh, there's a metal bracket on the other side too. That sucks. I think this needs to stay in. Hey, good thing I did break that off, didn't I? Like I said, we live and learn, all right? We live and learn. I think that's why that bottom piece didn't come off, is because the thing kept on trying to spin, so now it should be easier to come off. Ooh, that boy's in there, though, isn't it? Ooh, it's cold. Got snow all over me. I might be using this breaker bar this entire time, honestly. Perfect. If you look at this, way smaller, way bigger. That's gonna go like this. Look at that, man. I'm like a professional mechanic over here, man. Nah, I'm just kidding. I really can't fix anything. Now the only thing is now is my tailgate going to fit. I mean, it should fit. It's more of the lines of, can I get it on? That's going to be the problem. I wonder if I attach this part into here. Oh my God, yes. No, that was in. Okay, we're in that side. Oh, yeah. Let's go. Woo! I'm almost afraid to try closing it because I don't know if that's gonna work. Oh my God. Yes! Let's go. We're done. Now this goes in here like so. We're gonna have to get probably some new adhesive tape for this thing. That's probably not gonna want to stick, but all right. Well, guys, if you made it this far into the video, thank you guys so much for watching. This was a bit of a struggle, but we got everything in, we got everything on, and honestly, before that, nope, we're not done yet, guys. I lied. Part 2 is gonna come soon because this latch isn't gonna want to unlatch for me, so yeah. I guess we'll find out what happens in part 2. So I see you guys in the next one. As always, don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one. As always, Captain out.